Good morning, this is Mark at Golden State AV Videos, and today we're at Reedley Airport near Fresno, and there's not much flying today because of storms, but I thought I would come out here and post something just so you'd have something to look at over the weekend. What you see in front of you is a Cessna340, a twin-engine reciprocating aircraft. There's a jet in the distance. Most of the storm activity is to the east of us in the Sierras. I just looked at the weather radar for the local TV station, and that's what I saw. Reedley's airport runway configuration is 3-4 and 1-6. The windsock, let me just straighten out the camera here. So you can see the windsock there, a slight wind. Looks like it's out of the east. And I'll just pan around so you can see some of the airport, and then I'm going to try to go over to one of the hangars. I saw somebody working on what looked like a Cessna 152. Maybe we can talk to that person. So that's some of the hangars. And then I'll show you the mountains to the other direction. It's the fuel. I'll show you the fuel prices just for the heck of it. $6.90 a gallon for Jet A, $7.30 for low lead. And like I said, I haven't seen a thing flying. I've been driving around. The airport is not that easy to find from where I came from. And I've been driving around and I haven't seen a single airplane flying because of the weather. There really is no reason they couldn't just stay within the vicinity of the airport, but for whatever reason they're not doing that. And then here is there's a little terminal building. And I'll pan around it so you can see the mountains. And a little more over here. You can see the low clouds where all the storms are. So we'll take a walk over to the hangars. Maybe somebody will talk to me. Just bear with me a second. I'm going to pan around again. Like I said, I doubt we're going to get much traffic today. Every week we've had pretty big storms, and rain totals, are running sometimes on the weekends a couple inches or more. And even though we've been in a drought for a long time and there's been a lot of rain recently, the state Department of Water Resources is saying that we're not out of the drought because the groundwater is so depleted. During the drought, farmers resorted to pumping the groundwater, and that depleted the resource. And of course, this has been going on for years. The state has a plan to address this, and they are working on the issue of groundwater depletion, but it's going to take a long time. So let me just pick up my gear in a minute, and I'll try to walk over to some of the hangars. I think what I'll do is I'll stop this video and then we'll restart it if we can get somebody to talk to us.